All right, guys, today got the YZ450F. This is a 2008 model, and I'll be showing you guys how to clean and oil the air filter. So obviously what you're gonna need is the bike. You're gonna need some hand tools. The only one actual tool you need though is just a 10 millimeter bolt, ratchet, and ring extension because it gets some lasers. Some of them are kind of deep in there. Again, this is a 2008 model. I think it goes from a 2006 to 2009 or 8. I could be wrong, but they changed after this year when I think for the air filter replacement. Anyways, first step, you're gonna want, you can buy motorcycle brand specific air filter cleaner, but I went to the local parts store, O'Reilly's. They had the Canadian oil filter cleaner. This is gonna work. So all you're gonna need is just the actual cleaner itself and then filter oil. Some pair of gloves maybe, and a shop towel. All right, first things first, want to take off this left side plate, 10 mil there, 10 mil here. It's gonna be the exact same on the other side, the right side plate, or a plastic piece, or 10 mil and 10 mil, simple as that. So I will see you guys in a second. All right, got that piece off, or both pieces off, right side, left side. Now the seat, because one of these, the top bolts hold the actual seat together, and you just grab the seat, just simple that, slide it out. It's just a tiny little bit, slides in there. But yeah, put the seat down, have ourselves a look. All right, so here's the air filter. Pretty easy to get to. All you're gonna need now is just your fingers and that butterfly or nut. I think butterfly nut. I think it's called. But yeah, it should be just finger tight and just it is. And you just pull it off, and we'll get cleaning it. Now that we have the air filter out, we just remove this like kind of black plastic frame or structure of it. Then you're gonna want to spray it down with your cleaner, brand of choice cleaner. And you want, for this one, it says leave it on there for 5 to 10 minutes, letting it kind of dissolve all that grit, grime, dust, debris, whatever you have. And then we're gonna just rinse it off in some water. So I'll probably put it inside this bucket and rinse it off. So see you guys in a second. All right, cool. So that's about 10 minutes of time. These things have been soaking with the cleaner on it. So now next step is just to rinse them off. My bucket here, ready to go. So I could probably pour a little water on them. Like you just kind of grab them and just squeeze them. Let all the water in. Look at that nasty water coming out already. Oh, yes, there we go. Well, I came out of that one. Yeah, it's really working for you. That's all you really gotta do. But, yeah. Oh, look at that. That water is dark, very dirty. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second after I finish this up. Alright, after rinsing them out thoroughly, just set them out in a nice sunny spot. Luckily, I live in Arizona, so this shouldn't take too long, but I just want to let them dry for about 5 minutes or so. All right, guys, got the filter all dry now. Should have time lapse. Just put two filters back together. Now all we're gonna do is just spray inside and the outside. Just make sure it's all oiled up with your filter oil. We'll put it back inside the skeleton or the frame, and simply pop it back into spot, into position. Thread it on with a butterfly, the butterfly bolt or screw, whatever it's called, this guy. And yeah, we'll just reassemble after that. All right, got that in there with the butterfly screw. And yep, just gonna put the seat back on. What we wanna do is just kind of slide the seat with that little hook right there. That kind of hooks under this guy. Make sure the bolts holes are lined up with this guy's. And we'll put the side plastics back on. All right, guys, and that concludes today's video about swapping and cleaning and re-oiling the air filter for a YZ450F. And this is a 2008 model, so I think this is Gen 4, but could be wrong. But in general, the newer ones have a little bit different. But yep, just had to put the seat back on, put the plastics back on the sides, and we're all good. All right, just have a good rest of your day, guys, and ride safe. All right, bye.